guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking thrifted decor. I'm going to show you some finds that I got a couple weeks ago and show you how I tweaked them just to make them look a little bit more high-end, a little bit more my style, and really just kind of inspire you to search for your decor at thrift stores and garage sales, knowing that you can modify it. If you are decorating on a budget, this video is for you. We're going to get right into it, so stay tuned. I ran to the thrift store this morning. I actually went to two, and the main reason I went is because I need frames for the gallery wall that we are going to be doing in the sunroom, and thrift stores are just like the best place to get cheap frames. So yeah, most of them were like $2.99, and I'll obviously like take these out. I've got some prints that I found on Etsy that I want to use. I don't know if I have all the right sizes here, but I'm kind of just collecting the ones that I like. I'll look and see what I already have, and if I need to get some of a certain size, I can do that later. But yeah, they're just kind of all gold and ornate. This one's wood on the outside, which I like. I do need to get some more wooden ones as well because I don't want them to all be gold. But yeah, so I thought those were perfect, very inexpensive. I found this one as well, and this one is very plasticky and a little bit cheaper looking, so I may try to paint this. I picked this little guy up. This would be cute with maybe like a little plant or something in it. I got this vase. Thought that was really pretty. And this pitcher. I thought it would be kind of pretty maybe with some flowers or something in it. But yeah, so I spent about $32, I believe. So under $35 for all of this, which I think was a pretty good deal, especially considering the size of this frame. I ran to a garage sale today and I wanted to show you these books. So this one I'm most excited about, and mostly these are for decorating, but I love this one so much. Now that you've seen the items that we're working with, let's jump into a quick DIY, fixing up that cheap plastic frame. Using a matte black spray paint, just gonna get that covered, let it dry, and then we're going to apply Rub and Buff. If you need to make something a metallic gold, this is the way to do it. It's the best product out there for it. I have tried a lot of different things. This is the only one that really truly gives you that look. So a little goes a long way. Be light-handed with it. It's buildable. It does not have to be perfect. Absolutely love it. I'll link it below, including the colors that I used. And this frame, I love the way it turned out. I don't have a perfect spot or print for it yet, so I didn't style it in the end, but I did want you to see how it turned out. And then up next, I'm gonna go ahead and fill those frames that I do have prints for and show you the styling of that. And really quickly, I'm gonna get that gallery wall hung. I love the way this turned out. I think it's so beautiful, and it looks so much more expensive than it actually was. And then I'm gonna show you how I styled the rest of those items. watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it inspired you to go out, try to find some thrifted items, hit up some garage sales even. Honestly, those are like the best places to find things, and reimagine them. Think about how you can make them look more your style just by tweaking it a tiny bit. And I would love to hear, what are your favorite things to shop for when you go out thrifting? Leave it in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed and you enjoy interior design, old homes, renovation, all of those things, make sure that you do it. We have all of that here. We've got a ton of room makeovers that we still need to do. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, make sure your bell notification's on, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.